Hey everybody, and welcome back to Turn 4 Automotive Performance. I'm Bob. We're going to do another wheel review for you today. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a like or a comment about some wheels you want to see us review, stuff that we get here in the shop. We're going to go back where we started. RBP Rollin' Big Power 89R Assassin. This wheel we have here is an 18x9. Black with machined accents, 8-lug wheel, 8x165.1, which is your older GM 8-lug pattern. If you look on the inside of this wheel, you can tell it's a one-piece cast wheel, designed in America, designed in the USA, and it's manufactured by Lexani Wheel Corporation. So Lexani, a big name in wheels for a very long time. Very good history you're getting with these wheels. The casting is near perfect on these wheels. They're nice and thick. Heavy load ratings on them. This wheel's made for a 3/4 ton, 1 ton truck, so you really want that load rating. You don't want to put a trailer on these, just have the wheels crumble underneath the weight of your truck. So the load ratings, as we'll show you right here on the inside of the spokes, all the information you need about the wheel in the future. If you lose the card or the box that has all the load rating information or the model or the bolt pattern, that's all right on the inside of the spokes, cast into the wheel. As we said, it's an 89R Assassin wheel, as we know, by RBP, one of their one-piece cast wheels. It is cast in Taiwan, shipped over here. They have all the inspection and certification stickers on the wheel, dates they were inspected and cast. Very high quality. Comes with a plastic bolt-on center cap. Bolts on with 2 Allen wrenches. Covers up all the lug nuts. You don't have to buy these high dollar fancy lug nuts. You can just go ahead and bolt the cap over them. Also covers up, if you get one of these in a 6-lug pattern or a dual 5-lug pattern, it covers up that as well, so you don't see the opposite lug pattern. Speaking of bolt patterns, these are available in 5-lug, 6-lug, and 8-lug. They're available in 5/127, 5/139.7 as a dual pattern wheel. So those are multi-fit wheels for your Jeeps and your Dodge pickups, your 5-lug pickups, half-ton stuff. Also available in Ford and Chevy and Dodge 6-lug, Toyota 6-lug, 6/139.7 or 6/135. So these will fit all your Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, Nissan 6-lug stuff. And it's also available in multiple 8-lug patterns, 8/165.1 like we have here, or 8/170 or 8/180, your new GM 8-lug pattern. Also available, this is an 18x9, as we said, available in widths 9, 10, 11, and 12. Available in 18, 20, and 22 options. So plenty of options on this wheel to pick what style fits your vehicle the best. Available in 3 different colors, all chrome, all black, or black machine like we have here. The rivets on the outside. Very good looking wheel. We'll show you up close. All the machining is perfect on this wheel. The clear coat is very nice. There's no imperfections on the face of this wheel at all. The black paint is mirror-like. It's very, very high quality as opposed to some other wheels we get in here. RBP, these things are awesome at the price point. You can put a whole set of these on your truck for under $1,000 in this 18x9 setup. A lot of times you use your factory size tires with this 18x9. You don't need to buy new tires. If you're lifted, you can put that big tire on them if you need to, but if you just want to update the look of your vehicle on the cheap, less than $1,000, you can change the whole look of your truck by throwing on a set of these RBP wheels. They're available in a number of different back spacings to give you stock type look, or if you want to poke them out and fill up your fender flares and have them stick outside the truck, you can do that as well. So these are available in positive and negative offsets, ton of different back spacings. Give us a call here at Turn 4 Automotive and we can set you up with what RBP wheel works good for you. They have a number of one-piece cast wheels. They also have some forged wheels and some 2-piece wheels. So go ahead, give us a call. We got the RBP book right here. We can get you all set up with what style you like on your wheel and get your truck looking better. So go ahead, give us that like, subscribe, and comment. Leave us some names of wheels you want to see viewed and some trucks that we're going to put these on, and we'll get you back again next week. Thank you.